In today's world, where personal space has become a premium, especially in shared vehicles, how do you truly protect yourself and your passengers without feeling completely isolated? This transparent barrier claims to be the answer, offering peace of mind without sacrificing connection. We're talking about the car taxi partition Sneeze Guard, a transparent plexiglass barrier designed to create a protective shield in your vehicle. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its clarity. The manufacturer emphasizes tearing off a protective film, and honestly, once that's done, it's remarkably clear, almost like it's not even there, which is crucial for maintaining visibility. The core promise here is full protection, and it largely delivers. By creating a physical barrier, it significantly reduces the chance of spreading droplets and microorganisms. But here's the clever part: it's not a complete wall. There are still gaps designed to allow for the protected exchange of money or other small items, which is absolutely essential for taxi drivers or rideshare operators. It's a thoughtful balance between safety and functionality. This isn't just one big sheet. It's actually spliced from two separate pieces, each measuring 23.6 inches wide by 23.6 inches high. This modular design is brilliant because it allows it to adapt to a wide range of vehicles, from small sedans to medium-sized cars, and of course, taxis and ride-sharing vehicles. However, a quick heads-up: the product description does mention it might not suit larger SUVs or specific models like the Toyota Camry, so definitely measure your car before committing. That's a realistic expectation. Not every product fits all. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. It attaches to your headrests using simple hook and loop straps. What's really neat is the 4 height adjustment options by changing the mounting holes. This means you can customize its position to best suit your vehicle and passenger comfort, which is a small but significant detail that shows good design. And when it comes to keeping it clean, it's just as easy. A simple dish soap and warm water solution will do the trick periodically, or if you prefer, any alcohol-based cleaner works too. This ease of maintenance is key for a product designed for high-traffic environments. I really appreciate the thought put into making this practical. It doesn't feel like an afterthought. It feels like a genuine solution to a modern problem. The transparency ensures communication remains smooth, which is vital for both driver and passenger comfort and safety. It's not just about physical protection, it's about psychological comfort too, knowing there's an extra layer of defense. So, if you're a professional driver, or even just someone who frequently shares their car and wants an added layer of protection, the Car Taxi Partition Sneeze Guard offers an incredibly effective, easy to install, and surprisingly unobtrusive solution. It's a smart investment for peace of mind on the road.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.